Hey everyone, and welcome to another All About RVs video. Today we're going to take a look at a brand new 2022 Sierra 403 RD destination trailer. We're going to take a few minutes, walk you through the inside and outside of the RV, and then we'll close it all up and show you what it looks like closed as well. We'll be right back on the inside. All right, we are now up inside the brand new 2022 Sierra 403 RD destination trailer here. We're going to start here in the back section and we'll kind of spin our way through. So this is a rear den area. You have your TV, some cabinets across the back wall here. Electric fireplace, little Connexus sound bar, some cabinetry up above and below the TV area. There's two opposing sofas here that will flip out and make into beds. So you could sleep 4 people back here fairly comfortably and still have a little room to maneuver around. Ceiling fan up top here. The unit has ducted AC. They're currently using the Coleman AC, you can see right here. You can open up the quick dumps and dump it out right away, or you can push it through the AC ducts. A little bit of cabinet space above both sofa slides. Theater seat, kick back, recline back, watch your TV. Got a little bit of lighting underneath of there along with the light up cup holders. Ceiling fan controls back there as well. Sliding door. There is some little slatted blinds that come with each one of the sliding glass doors. So you will have those. They are actually shipped in little boxes that are usually stashed right behind the sofa when they first come. In the kitchen area here, you have island kitchen. So you got your sink built in. There's an electric outlet on the back side, a little bit of toe kick lighting there, propane leak detector as well, high-rise sprayer faucet. I would definitely recommend doing some flip-up countertop extensions aftermarket. The factory doesn't do them. I wish they would. It would give you just a little bit more counter space room in here that you could flip up and down and just make it a little easier when you're doing dishes and stuff. But you could do that aftermarket, maybe put one on each side, give yourself an extra, foot of counter space on each side possibly. They do have the large Greystone oven, 4-burner stovetop, has a little light up knobs. The larger LG microwave. Got kind of a little pantry area there on the left. Big LG residential refrigerator, freezer on bottom, refrigerator on top. Little more drawer space and cabinet space over here. Really nice hang down pendant lighting as well. There's also a turbo exhaust fan up there in this model. There is a little bit of storage underneath of the island as well. You have the table, which is attached to the wall. 4 chairs. The table being attached to the wall just kind of removes that leg underneath of there so you're not hitting your knees on it. Some more cabinet space. There are controls for that turbo exhaust fan on the wall there. One of the thermostat controls as well. A couple electric outlets. Then here on the side of the cabinet, you have one of your main control areas. Slide button for the hydraulic slides, slide button for the bedroom electric slides, some light switches, awning switch, water pump, water heater, your tank monitors, all that stuff done right here. And then if you do the optional 12-volt tank heaters for colder weather camping, there'd actually be a switch here as well. So they do have a few options that you can pick and choose from on these RVs when you're ordering them. Here on our left is going to be our bathroom area. It's kind of starting down here. We have the porcelain foot flush toilet on the right. There's also a heat duct down here. There's AC in here as well. Little cabinet area there, little towel bar. Fan up top here. Skylight up above. Little step-in shower area, medicine cabinet as well. Sink area, some storage below the sink also. So it's an okay sized bathroom for an RV. It's not the biggest one, but there is enough room to kind of get in here, get undressed, and actually get in and out of the shower. Going up this way, you have your bedroom area. So you got a queen bed. The bed will raise up. There's a little bit of storage underneath of there. Some overhead cabinet space. The windows up front do open. Electric outlet on each side. USB charger ports on the left side. Electric box with the breakers and fuses on the right nightstand down there. Closet area. You can kind of see this one was ordered with the second Coleman AC up top. And you got another ceiling fan up here. This customer also ordered it with a washer dryer. So you got stackable washer dryer over there, slide across doors, some storage up above. On the wall is the second AC control, ceiling fan control, some light switches. But quite a bit of room in the bedroom to actually maneuver around. All three windows here in the bedroom do open. All right, guys, we're gonna head back outside. I wanna show you around the outside of the RV, and then we'll come back in and close it up. We'll be right back on the outside. All right, we are now back on the outside of the brand new 2022 Sierra 403 RD destination trailer here. We're gonna start on the door side of the RV, kind of spin our way around. So first things up, the unit is a light gray fiberglass exterior, aluminum studded foam block sidewalls. You have a black lower metal skirting, deep tint safety glass windows, single pane standard, option for dual pane. 2 outdoor speakers, an electric outlet, and a TV outlet here. So if you wanted to put a TV outside, you could do so. Covered underbelly. It is a sectionalized covered underbelly, so it's easier to work on in case you ever need to do any maintenance to it in the future. Power awning, LED light strip built in. Adjustable arms for tilting for water runoff purposes, and manual crank in case of an electronic failure. Large sliding glass entry doors. You have a traditional hover entry style step, large folding entry handle to help you get in and out. Little porch light up top there as well. Dual axle unit, drum brakes, easy lube hubs. Now in the back corner back here, you also have a gas line hookup down here. So if you wanted to do a portable grill or something toward the rear of the RV, you could plug in there. Traditional flat back fiberglass rear end. This customer did order his with stabilizer jacks as well. Some customers would prefer not to have those, and they basically block the RVs and kind of park it permanently. Same thing with the power awning as well. Sometimes people do not want the power awnings, and they'll order them without and then build their own deck around the RV as well. 50 amp electric service. It's here on the rear corner. It's a twist lock in. It's probably about a 25 or 30 foot long cord that comes with the RV. Over here in between these slides, you have your 10-gallon gas electric water heater. There is a furnace exhaust out right here. Up top on the side of the slide there is the stove exhaust. Here is your main water hookup and your cable satellite inlet as well. So you do have both satellite inlets. You've got city water, freshwater fill up, and black tank flush. So you do have a few different hookups here. Down below is your actual dump area, along with low point water drains for hot and cold water drains back there. Now you can kind of see up here are your waste connection pull handles. They are cable handles, so the gate valves and stuff are up inside the underbelly instead of hanging out down here at the bottom. But you do have your handles right here to pull to dump things. Now this one was ordered with the washer dryer that you've seen when we were inside as well. So you have a dryer vent coming out the side here. Freshwater tank drain is down here. It is the larger 1.5-inch drain valve, so it will dump out quicker. Now on the front corner here, some very important informational stickers. I'm gonna pop these up for you here real quick. The first one popping up is gonna be your main data sticker, which has VIN number, production date, axle sizes, but most importantly on this sticker is gonna be that gross vehicle weight sticker. That's the most you load it up to, hitch weight, axle weight, everything combined. Do not exceed that number. Next up is your unloaded vehicle weight sticker. This basically tells you what the RV weighed when it rolled off the factory assembly line, and it also has the length on it now as well. Next up is your cargo carrying capacity sticker, basically telling you how much gear you can load into the RV before you exceed that gross vehicle weight that we saw on the first sticker. And last but not least is tire pressure sticker here. This basically telling you tire size, but most importantly, tire pressure. Make sure you do check your tire pressure from time to time. Very important, especially if you're going to be towing this thing around. The RV tires are rated to hold a certain amount of weight at a certain pressure. If you let that pressure drop too low, they can't hold the weight properly and will blow out easier. So definitely make sure you check into that. Up front here, we have two 30-pound propane tanks under the hard bottle cover. It has a manual jack. Again, they're expecting you to kind of park it and leave it, so no reason to spend the extra money for a power jack. But if you are going to tow it around, you could put a power tongue jack on the front. 2 5/16 hitch ball, heavy-duty safety chains. There is a battery area right back here to where you could put a battery here. Comes with 0 batteries from the RV maker, but it does come with 1 when you purchase from Couch's RV Nation. There is hitch light on the front, so you can kind of see what's going on around here. There's just a little switch to turn it on and off at the light there. And then up top, a couple more amber lights up there as well. All right, we're gonna head back inside. I wanna show you what it looks like closed. We'll be right back on the inside. All right, guys, we're now back up inside the new 2022 Sierra 403 RD destination trailer here. We're gonna close this thing up so you can get an idea what this looks like. Again, most people don't really travel with these. It's a destination trailer, but if you do wanna try to travel, this will kind of show you what it looks like all shut up traveling down the road. So when you're ready to close it up, you gotta come in here to your slide control buttons. You got one for the hydraulic slides, which are basically the back 4 slides, and then one for the bedroom slide, which is an electric motor slide. So hit the button to bring it in. These again are hydraulic. These front 2 slides, these kitchen slides here, are gonna come in first. Basically kind of cutting us off from the slide area or the rear area of the RV. That's why they put 2 doors on here so you could get in either way. But when it comes in, it's basically going right up next to that island. And same thing with that kitchen slide over there. It's going to come right in next to that island. Okay, so you kind of see here, you're not squeezing back through there. Very important to make sure the floor is clean, so you don't accidentally run something over and tear it up. Now with the slides closed there, you could still come in your front door if you are somebody that's traveling or whatever, and get to your bathroom, and you could still get to your bedroom. I'm gonna set the camera down in the bedroom here, and then we'll close that up as well, just to kind of give you a quick view of this part, and then we'll flash on back to the rear section closed up also. Again, guys, don't forget to check out the people at Couch's RV Nation. They are one of the largest internet discount dealers in the country. Will definitely save you a lot of money on a new RV if you are interested. Again, this slide is a 12-volt slide. It is the Lippert in-wall slide, or Schwintek slide it's referred to as sometimes. It just basically comes straight in, kind of butts right up against the bed. So even with this closed, I still could come in here and sleep. So if you are, again, that traveling person, you could come in here, use the bathroom, and sleep without having to worry about the slides being open. Now we're going to spin back around here and go to the back section. Close up these back slides. So when you are ready to close this part up as well, this is all part of that hydraulic setup. So we'll hit the button up front, kind of show you what this looks like here. Very important to make sure your rear cabinets are closed. If they're not closed, you could really easily rip them off the wall. So slides come, again, pretty much straight in, straight out. They do come up just a hair over that subfloor. So there you can kind of see, closed up, it pretty much blocks off that back section back there. But when I come in through my back door, you do still have a little bit of area you can come in here and kind of check things out. So you can come back in, kind of check out, make sure nothing popped open accidentally that you're going to damage. I could come in here, wash my hands or something if I needed to. All right, guys, thanks again for taking the time to watch my RV videos. Really do appreciate it.